Well, good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Payne ADV. It is August 7th here on a Sunday, about 1 o'clock, and Destiny, the WR 250R, and myself, we're on the Wyoming backcountry discovery route, and we're just on section 1 right now. Just got off of road 70, and I think this road's called 850 or something like that, but we're on our way to encampment, and we'll see how things go. I'm just kind of taking my time here today. I'm in no rush, and I've got a few days to ride this, as well as do some tourist duty as well. So we don't know what we'll be riding here. I'm just going to take things as they go and head on up toward encampment, then Centennial, and then we're going to head over toward, I think, Alcova. But we're working our way north to 10 Sleep is the Destiny, 10 Sleep, Wyoming, and then we're going to cut back toward either Cody or Thermopolis, one of the two, depending on how much time we have. So I kind of like to do those hot springs in Thermopolis. But anyways, this is the start. I've been riding for a couple hours. I came up from Hayden. We took County Road 80 up from Hayden on the County Road 1 and then this Road 70, so I missed Baggs, Wyoming altogether. But from my house, it's kind of going backwards to go back to Baggs and then come back this way again. So anyways, I'll check in a little later. Take care. Yeah, ready. This will go. Well, actually, where I did my introduction of the Wyoming BDR, I was at Overlook where the BDR kind of took me off the right of Highway 70, but right now we are on section 1 of the BDR, going down a dirt road toward encampment. We'll see how it all goes. Got the WR 250 all loaded up. Really wasn't able to bring everything I wanted to for a tour like this, but there's only so much room on a smaller bike, but I think I got pretty much everything I need. So anyways, we'll catch up with you a little later. We're just going down the gravel road here, and I'll give you some details what's going on. Yeah, we're on Forest Road 830 now, still on section 1 and coming up on some pretty peaks. I don't know if you'll pick it up with the GoPro or not. Maybe not. I'm just cruising along 23 to 25 mile an hour on these roads. Really don't know them that much, but I'm just taking my time and I'm not in a race. I'm just relaxing and checking out the scenery. Well, we're still on Road 830. I just had an overlook looking down in the valley, but by the time I got the camera going, it was a little bit too late. But a little bit of it there. There we go. Kind of hard to turn my head and watch the road too. Couldn't really tell you what road I'm on here. I can't, the GPS is so full of dust I can't see what it says. But we're about 23 miles out of encampment here. Nice little forest road to ride. Running a 48-tooth sprocket on this Yamaha, and it's just about right in third gear for cruising these type of roads. Got a 13 on the front. Okay, we're on Forest Road 443 right now. Getting a little bit rockier than what the other roads were. Some wood cutting area, I guess. Coming down the hill here. Yeah, we're about 16 miles out of encampment yet. Well, we're on some county road now, dropping down out of the hills, headed for encampment. Each little leg I take of the BDR just tacks on a couple more miles till I'm going to get there, so we're about 21 miles out. And we're headed northeast. Yeah, this would be County Road 387 we're on now. Well, we're just riding down through the county ranches, or the ranches. Coming down off the hill, a lot of hay and cows and a lot of cattle guards too. Well, I'm out here on County Road 660 and heading towards Centennial, Wyoming. I just left encampment. I was just putting along the road here, showing you a little bit of scenery. Still in section 1 of the BDR here. I'm poking along about 30 Fourth gear on a WR, cruising along. Not sure what river that is. Maybe it might be the encampment river, not sure, but I guess they can answer that at home. Put it on the video here and let me know what it is. Not sure. It's about 5:30. Beautiful time to ride. Normally about now I'll be looking for camp. So we'll be ready to camp here pretty quick. Nice road, no gravel. Cruise right along. Look at that shot there. It's beautiful. Wow. There we go. Nice river pictures for you, video. We're kind of riding in the burnt tree section of the Wyoming BDR. I haven't found a place to camp yet. Still looking. Actually, the best spot I saw was right at the forest fence. It was nice and flat. But we'll just keep on going here. About 6:36. I think we're on road. Can't read it. The type's too small. Anyways, burnt forest area, BDR. Heading east. Look at that fire stuff over there. Wow. Well, good evening. It's about 7:45, and we're up here probably, I don't know, 13, 14 miles west of the Rob Roy Reservoir Campground. I think this road's called 600, but I think we're just a little bit east of the burnt section of the forest, and found a place that's flat to camp, so we're just boondocking it tonight. No campground, and it's looking good. We did about 165 miles today, and it's been a long ride. My right hand is really giving me a lot of trouble with the clutch. It's just, I'm out of shape, what can I say? But other than that, it was a good ride. I'm happy with the camp spot we got, but it's getting a little late, so I don't have really a whole lot of time for photography, but I can show you a little bit of around camp here. Of course, that's the bike. The WR worked out really well today. I really got to learn how to travel the dirt roads with it. I mean, runs with that 48-2 sprocket, third and fourth gear are just beautiful on these dirt roads. And of course, here's the tent back here. And I'm just getting ready to fire up my camp stove and cook me up a can of soup. That's what I'm having tonight, Campbell's soup. That's what's for dinner, instead of having I don't know, freeze-dried food. But there's my little, I can put my stove right there on that flat rock. Got the chair, and I'm ready to go. Actually, it's been a pretty good ride. The WR's been good. That's just, I'm just right off the road here, and so there is some burnt stuff over here, but I got all green trees on my side, so there you be. Camping on the Wyoming BDR.